superstars? This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. What I want to show you in this video here is how you can click your mouse. Look, go ahead and click it. Click your mouse. Click it. By clicking your mouse, you can get paid. I just hit $5,000 plus, and as you can see, I did that in basically one day. That's 10/31, 11/1. That's $5,000. And I know it sounds crazy, but believe me, I'm going to show you step by step in this quick video here. And it's not going to be a BS video. I'm going to be very real and transparent. Listen, if you follow everything that I show you while you're sitting there listening to this video here, it is no reason why you can't make money like in the next 24 hours. I did this in 24 hours by clicking my mouse on my Macintosh. You can use your iPhone, you can use your iPad, you can use your Windows. It doesn't matter, okay? If you follow and listen to everything that you hear in the video here, I promise you, you would do it as well. Listen, sub to the channel and go ahead and smash the like button, because I'm going to always show you how to make money online without doing a lot of work. Now listen, let me be very honest with you. This is not going to make you super rich, all right? $5,000 a day, people can't live off that, right? You need millions of dollars. But listen, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you an automatic way to do this, okay? It's software that'll do a lot of the stuff for you, but I want to teach you and educate you on what you need to do. So sub to the channel, be nice, and smash the like button. Step one, go to warriorplus.com. That's warriorplus.com. Listen, it's a JV affiliate marketing marketplace. I'm brand new to Warrior Plus, honestly, and it's like I've been on ClickBank, I've been #1, I've been on Digistore, I've been #1, I've made tens of millions of dollars on those platforms. But Warrior Plus, what's crazy about it is within one day of doing exactly what I'm going to show you in this video here live, $5,000, okay? Five G's, okay? So listen, what you want to do is you want to register here, free sign up, hit that button here, put your username, your password, email address, and you're done. So what I'm going to do, let me go ahead and log into my account. Now listen, for you to make sure that you make a ton of money, make sure your username is something that's related to your goal. As you can see, I'm $3 million per month, okay? $3 million per month. And as you can see here, I have 193 sales notifications because the money is just coming in on autopilot, okay? And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a little secret if you want this process to be automated, okay? Now, your first step is this. Go to affiliate and go to offers. It's that easy, okay? They have offers on here that convert very well, okay? Very well here. And you want to scroll down here and say if you find an offer that you want to promote, all you do is click the button that says request. See how easy it is? It's very simple to do. And request approval, request offer, and you're done. And then you wait for them to approve you. They will do it in about 24 to 48 hours. But what I like to do is go through everything. Just request. Now listen, now this is very important. Make sure you promote an offer that's have a high conversion ratio. You don't want a conversion ratio of about 2 or 6. You want something that's like 19, 10, right? All that means is when I show you exactly where to get the traffic from, because I know that's what you're thinking, right? Big head, can you just relax? You want to find an offer that has a high conversion ratio. Many internet marketers that are huge, they know this stuff, right? They know about Warrior Plus, but a lot of beginners, you guys don't know this until now, because Wesley is going to give you the keys and the gems. So I know what you're thinking. I love you, Wes. And if you continue to love me, I will continue to make videos like this for you, okay, big head? I love you so much. Look. So what you want to do is find an offer like this. See, this is 19. As you can see, I'm already approved for it. So all you have to do is click on the button that says get link here, okay? When you hit the get link here, that's your affiliate link right there. That's what you're going to use to get paid. Or you can scroll down here. 28, that's even better. Get link here. And right here, that's my link. That means that every time somebody click it and buy, I get paid and you get paid over and over again. As you can see, I have notifications right here and I'm making sales over and over again. That's why I'm up $5,000. And let me refresh this just in case people say, that's a screenshot. Look, big head. See, I just did a refresh here. And as you can see there, boom, that's $5,329 I've made so far. and in less than 24 hours here, okay? So listen, once you choose it, right? And I recommend to choose something, like I said before, that has a high conversion ratio and have a low refund rate, because you don't want to make money and have people refund your money, right? You don't want to do that. You want people to keep the product because it's a quality product here, okay? So once you choose the offer here, this is all you got to do, because once you have your link, right? So if you have your link here, you copy that. And remember, you can always go to a site by the name of bit.ly.com if you want to shorten that link, and I'll show you that in a second. But listen, Facebook is where you get the traffic from. And a lot of people, you know what's crazy? Listen up. They sleep on Facebook. Like right now, I'm laying in my bed. I'm pretty much butt naked in my Versace drawers, and I'm making approximately total income like $60,000 a day by doing this, and I use Facebook. Let me show you what I did on Facebook 24 hours ago that allowed me to hit this $5,000 in one day. Look here. Type in the word make money online. Okay? And all you want to do is just join these groups, okay? And let me teach you what you have to do. Listen, you're not going to just post links. You got to be smarter than that, okay? But the first step is just to join all these groups. Facebook is free. You don't have to spend any money. But the great thing about these groups, listen, is that you have 52,000 people. 52,000 people. If you have 100 people that buy one of your products, and say if the product is $40, it's $4,000 in your pocket. I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I like you. I'm smashing the like button. I'm a sub to you forever because I'm going to send you a letter or an email or a video because you changed my life. Because you're making money. It doesn't, and the great thing about it, look here, it doesn't, you can be a newbie. You can be a mom. You can be a dad. You can be a person that has no clue. You could be dumb. It doesn't matter. You could be a teenager. It doesn't take any work. I'm laying in my bed and I'm doing this right now, okay? Now listen, once you've joined I joined 100 groups, okay? That's why I made so much money, because the more groups that you join, the more money that you will make, okay? How much money you want to make, a lot or a little? Comment below, okay? I'll just smash the like button so I know that you're listening to this video here, okay? Now look, let's go back here. Let's say we click on this group here. Let's visit the group here. Now, you may say, well, Wesley, what do I post? What do I need to post to make sure to guarantee I'm making money like this so I could be just like you, laying in your bed on a freaking Monday morning where everybody's working, but you're making money online on autopilot here, okay? So you scroll down here, and what you want to do is find posts that already get massive engagement here, okay? Because what you're going to do is do a repost. Let me show you. Watch this. Scroll down. See this person here? Gets $600 when you get 30 friends. Got a little engagement right here. 19 comments here. I said how. So look at this. You can put, I need 3 people that want to make $600. No info needed. No scam. Don't sleep on this. Ask me how. Listen. Just like Chanel, you can do the same thing. You can copy this and say, I need 10 people that want to make $1,000. No info needed. No scam, no skills. Don't sleep on this. Ask me how. Now listen, it's all you write. You don't need to put your link, right? You don't need to tell people about the offer. That's all you write, okay? Because what you're doing is you're giving people an opportunity to be curious. Am I making sense here? Then down below here, they're going to write how. See it here? How. Say it with me. How. I love you, Wes. How. I love you, Wes. Right? So what you do is, now this person, in my opinion, they're not too smart. You don't want to do that in the comment section. So what you want to do, anybody that click how, you click on their profile and you just send them a message. That's it. And you just say, hey, Jenny, I see that you commented on my last post. You want to know how. Let me show you how you can do this right now in the next 24 hours. And it doesn't take a lot of work. As a matter of fact, it's software that does it for you. And you put your link right there, right? Your bit.ly link that you got here from Warrior Plus. And that's it. Okay? And get ready to get paid. Listen, that's exactly what I just did. And I'm getting paid. I'm up $5,000. 1031. 11:01, right? And that's all I did. I spent like an hour and a half doing exactly what I just showed you in this video here. Now listen, if you want to how many of you want an automatic way to do this? How many of you want me to show you exactly what huge internet marketers, they do this on a daily basis, right? They have software that does it all for you. When I say software, all you need to do is this, and I want you to remember this, and I'm going to put it down in the description below. All you need to do is click, and every time you click, the cash comes out. That means that you don't have to post links. You don't have to go to Facebook groups. It is a software right now, and I'll leave it in the description below. When you click your mouse, you will just make cash automatically. And I know it sounds crazy, but it's all good. Because many people that are skeptical, they're broke. People that don't believe it can't be true, well, they're at their job right now for the rest of their life. But the people that have an open mind and decide to click and just see what it is, well, these are the people that make money like this on a daily basis here. So listen, I'll leave that link below. It's called Click Cash below, I believe, the link in the description under this video. And it's just a software. Okay, I'm going to be very transparent. It's a software. I use the software, and I am able to generate a couple of tens of thousands of dollars per day using that software. And it's yours. Click it below. I love you guys. Hey, listen, if you got value, smash the like button, sub to the channel. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.